mean, we chose the Arsenale to launch Vanquish because really is one of the most iconic locations in Venice. It's an incredible location, and we're presenting an incredible car. New Vanquish replaces DBS, but it's a completely different product. It's an all-new V12 engine. It's a longer wheelbase, an all-new body. There is simply nothing you'd recognize from the old DBS in this platform. For Aston Martin, this is the third time we've used the Vanquish nameplate, and it's such an icon for Aston Martin. It's really been the epitome of V12 in the most recent decades. We expect to bring some of the previous Vanquish drivers, but also appeal to a new set of drivers, because this car really drives the way it looks.
So this is the most iconic car of our product lineup. We'd say the flagship is the brand new 12-cylinder, 830 horsepower, two-seater, and marvelous, fantastic design. Low volume, so we'll produce less than 1,000 units per year, and plus a strong collaboration with our Formula One team, with Aston Martin Performance Technology, delivering compared to the past impressive driving dynamics, and really an adrenaline way of driving the car. So the reaction from our customers will be extremely positive, and we will start to deliver the new Vanquish at the end of 2024.
I think we will see, or I hope to see, some of the DNA of the Vanquish that is very iconic. I think the side view has been always a continuation in the previous versions of it, and I think the new technology that all the Aston Martins has, all the multimatic suspension, all the new style that has been conquered the Aston Martin family in the last few years.